Hey guys, boy, nothing but bass here. I'm down at a little local meet, and today we're going to get a demo. Good to go? Alrighty. Alright, so what all do you have here?
2 Sundown X15s and 4 Audio Pipe 1500s.
We have this Mints and Highs right here next to us. It's nice, actually. That's all I'm showing the doors.
Don't hurt me no more.
Floating cats.
She slams for sure.
Yeah, no, you liked it.
Oh.
No, pulling it.
There we go. That one. That's a fun one to sit in right there.
You're like, whoa, I can't hear anything.
No, I can actually hear everything. You should see if he'll demo that one for you.
Oh no, I'm good.
The breathing in that one is
from out here.
yeah.
Okay?
So yeah,
Here's
this
what
is
it felt like in my car.
Yeah, I felt it from out here. He says, running Sundowns. Here's what he's got going on in the back here. About his 6 batteries sitting here on his audio pipe. Amplifiers. He's got his fans. Oh. Good little demo. Got the. Did you see him stick the rag in the other side? I saw you with the camera. I'm like, what is this kid doing? So no, yours doesn't compete with any of this. No,
Not at all.
All right, it's out here with the neon, the old Dodge Neon.
You know, Ray might.
I don't know. Precisely. Exactly what I was thinking. Dude, all right, having that front broke camera sucks. I hate having that. I'm gonna have to get a real camera for doing this. It's gonna make my videos so much better.
Hey, car turned off. Him, he's doing this shit. Every time he turns the key.
Yeah, running the American bass. Got the American bass amplifiers. It's nice. I like his audio control right where he has that set up. It's really cool. I got 22.6 minutes of video time here. I'm already 4 minutes and 9 seconds in. The Beastie Boys. Yeah.